gamble is this, is that it's very rare that I can get in intimate space with another human being so fast as I can do it on video, because it isn't the best that sells, it's the best sold. Okay. And I need to sell better, and you can sell better with more intimacy. So first of all, let me welcome you to my home. Welcome to my home. You are in my upstairs living room. I don't know what brand you need to get across, but what I do know is it often only takes some simple objects to get that brand across. Just so you know, all of this is body language. All of this is outside of verbal. All of this is to create an idea, a concept, a framework by which you then listen to the words that I say. First principle I want to get across to you is, on any video interaction, you must increase the social risk. So how am I doing that right now with you? Remember, I welcomed you to my home. Now you have to be compliant. There is nothing here that is here by accident. Basically, I am showing people more data. And the reason why is, when insufficient data around nonverbal communication, we default to negatives. Your brain looks at the environment, looks at my movement, looks at my face, looks at that whole framework and goes, what's my best guess as to the feeling and intention that Mark has towards me now? It does that based on nonverbal data. If there's a reduction in nonverbal data, you can't see so much, I'm not showing you so much, then you're not an optimist about me, you're a pessimist. Let's look at body language. Here's what I'm doing for you to be more animated. I'm showing you lots of what we call baton gestures. These are the gestures that conduct along to the rhythm of my speech. There, I'm being really clear about my baton gestures right now. Here's the thing. Your brain is not a knowledge machine, it's a prediction machine, just like any other intelligence out there. It doesn't bear knowledge, it bears algorithms for prediction. We call them heuristics. Sometimes our heuristics are so accurate and so fast, we go, I think I know stuff. It feels like you know stuff, but you just predict stuff really, really accurately. For your brain to feel really comfortable predicting my language, it not only wants to hear it, but it wants to see it as well. And it loves to see the rhythm of it. Because if it can see the rhythm as well, it feels that it's more predictable. You feel more comfortable. You feel more welcome. So lots of baton gestures. The other thing that you're seeing is what we call illustrator gestures. These are the gestures that almost literally draw a picture of what I'm saying. There was my illustration for drawing a picture. Simple ones would be, look, high or low or small or wide or over there or me. You know, that would be simple illustration. The more I illustrate, the more you feel you can predict accurately. And the more you feel you can predict accurately, the more positive you are about me and my message. A lot of communicators on video will not pop their hands into frame at all. I mean, look, nothing wrong with that, but your chances of gaining that audience's attention and that audience going, this could be of high value, because look at the animation of that. Look how alive that person is right now. I need to be live in the room with them right now as well. I need to reciprocate that liveliness. It goes down. The moment these pop into frame, there's a part of your brain which is really obsessed with hands. Last thing I want to show you is open palm gestures. Okay, this is a universal signal. No tools, no weapons, nothing in my hands, nothing to harm you. Sometimes I will get a tool in my hand, I will show you another tool, and I might go, that's a really good point. Let me write that down. And you get to see me manipulating tools in front of you and see how important your ideas are for me. So let me go through it again, okay? Open palm gestures will show no tools, no weapons. You're really safe here. I'm open to you, okay? Illustrator gestures, they'll draw pictures for you, and baton gestures will help you understand you're getting the language right.